Is the crypto winter over, and how will EU regulations function? The European Union is moving forwards with a new set of rules to govern crypto assets and related markets. There's a lot going on in the crypto space right now, from regulation to potential recovery. Simon Peters, an eToro market analyst and crypto expert, provides his weekly take on events. Bitcoin's difficulties continue. Bitcoin's struggles continued last week, with the price falling throughout the week. While BTC's price was less volatile than in previous weeks, it moved in a downward trend, beginning the week around $21,000 and trading down to around $19,000 by midweek. Editor's note: Bitcoin has risen to just over $30,000 this week. However, there is a notable undercurrent at work with BTC. As the price of Bitcoin falls, so-called Bitcoin whales, or holders of large amounts of the crypto asset, are buying up more tokens. The largest non-exchange Bitcoin wallet, the identity of which is unknown, purchased thousands more tokens as the price fell, bringing its total value to more than $2.53 billion. Ether experienced a similar drop this week, beginning around $1,200 before falling to around $1,050 by Thursday. It is currently valued at $1,810. The price of ETH is falling as progress towards the merge continues. The Great Glacier upgrade was successfully implemented on the Ethereum mainnet last week, bringing the merge a step closer, where the network will transition to proof of stake, potentially having a significant impact on the platform's economics. The EU passes MiCA legislation. The European Union is moving forwards with a new set of rules to govern crypto assets and related markets. It is a significant step forwards in the regulation of crypto assets, with few other jurisdictions enacting such comprehensive regulations. Reserve requirements for stablecoins have been increased, new rules for transaction reporting have been implemented, and ESMA now has new powers to take action against crypto providers who fail to protect investors or comply with market rules, threatening market stability. Of course, only time will tell what the economic impact on the cryptocurrency market will be. The EU is a significant market, but it is not the largest. Much innovation comes from Europe, but in reality, crypto needs more oversight to set key ground rules for players and stabilize markets without stifling innovation. The EU is leading, but the UK will soon follow with the Financial Services and Markets Bill. Cardano has reached a critical milestone in its development. Blockchain smart contracts. Cardano has taken an important step towards a new hard fork for the platform. The implementation of pipelining, an attempt to improve blockchain performance, could have a transformative impact on efficiency. Cardano is one of several major competing blockchains that are now vying for the attention of blockchain and crypto projects as a foundation for their work. As a result, in order to remain competitive, the platform must continue to evolve. Pipelining is the process of grouping transactions together to save network users time. It promises to shorten transaction times while also increasing traffic capacity. It remains to be seen how this will play out in practice, but the price of crypto assets may indicate that the hard fork approach was successful. JP Morgan believes the crypto winter is coming to an end. JP Morgan, a major global investment bank that has continued its march into crypto despite a difficult quarter for investors, believes that healthy funding and contagion backstops are signs that the crypto winter is coming to an end. In confirming that funding is still flowing to crypto projects, the bank makes an important point. What distinguishes this pullback from previous ones is that retail investors are no longer alone in facing adversity. Instead, there are now multiples of major financial and other institutions in the market. JP Morgan's point is clear: while some money is leaving the sector, other smart money is still pouring in. What investors must do is carefully consider investment cases and look for those that present the best long-term opportunities.